Morning world! Day 2 in Switzerland. So our agenda for today is to Grindelwald and then hopefully to Jungfraujoch. That's the highest point here in Europe.
Yaman.
We'll take you on a journey. Documenting guys, nandun sila sa parang grocery and ang ginawa namin from Interlaken West, sumakay kami ng bus to Interlaken Ost and then from there sasakay kami ng train to Grindelwald. So Grindelwald is the gateway para doon sa Jungfraujoch. Yun naman yung pinakamataas na mountain dito sa Switzerland. Sandali guys. Arrive in Grindelwald. Naalala mo? Grindelwald first. And then we're gonna go down. Pababa kami ng Jungfraujoch. Kasi dun yung terminal. So, ang lamig dito guys.
Takot na yung dipits.
Oo, dyan. Nahimik ako.
Ano mo na lang? Tingnan mo yung video ko.
Nakakayo talaga, sir.
Mga ate niyo nasa Jungfraujoch.
Good morning po.
Grindelwald
Sir,
first.
smell ka.
Hi guys.
Rod, kuha ako ng isang cable car sa labas tapos video lang ng
Wait lang,
short
may
clip.
ito yung mga cable car.
Grindelwald. So ayan, ang kabayan yung taga Villa-Uping nasa Switzerland na. So, ayan, kasama ko si Miss Kat, nasa Grindelwald
First walk, ang saya!
Masaya siya and hindi siya nanginig, in fairness.
Sa Switzerland kami, medyo pricey siya, so parang kung kailangan nyo talagang pumunta dito, kailangan nyo marami pera.
How's the experience, Tita Mel?
Bawal dito mahirap.
Amazing! Thank
Vlogger niya.
Hello po, from Switzerland.
Hello po.
Ano pong hanap nila po?
Saan yung gathering?
Ang ganda.
So, hi again guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Switzerland. Titikman natin yung snow kung masarap siya. Sarap. Lasang cotton candy.
Yeah, what about Catherine?
Tikman mo.
Tita Mel.
Hindi, dapat titikman nyo kayo.
Hi guys, sasaas kami ng Grindelwald first. Nakakatakot guys. So guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Jungfrau Joch. Ito yung pinakamataas na point dito sa Europe, sa Switzerland. So if you wanna go here, you need to buy a ticket. So this is around 287 Swiss francs. So tantamount siya sa AED na 800. So walking tour lang to guys. Let's go! 360 cinemas guys. So meron tayong film viewing. Tapos may movie review after. Charot! Nag-i-snow. Guys, ayan. Nag-i-snow. Malamig dito ngayon. Daming tourist. Pero ang sarap lang i-enjoy, guys. Yes. Hindi ka na guys, lakad-lakad lang tayo.
Ay po, lamig po. Ay po.
Kamusta yung experience, guys?
Switzerland is.
Kamusta yung experience so far?
Feeling ko mamaya may frostbite.
We're in sobrang lamig lang. So, it's freezing cold. Pero worth the money. Yeah, the experience. Maganda naman siya.
So, para siyang tunnel, guys. This is the Ice Palace. So, marami siyang mga sculptures. So, ayan, nag-i-enjoy kami maglakad-lakad, mag-take ng picture. So, yan. Tunnel siya, guys. Makita niyo yan sa pag pumunta kayo dito sa Switzerland.
Switzerland is. Ryan, magsalita ka.
Snow glows white on the mountain tonight, not a footprint to be seen. A kingdom of isolation, and it looks like I'm a queen. The wind is howling,
Magpadalas ka.
swirling, storm inside. Couldn't keep it in, having no sign of dry.
Go!
Don't let them in, don't let them see. Be the good girl you always have to be. Cause you don't feel, don't let them know.
Padalas.
Well now they know. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Turn away and slam the door. I don't care. Oh no, be careful. This is the highest peak na pwede mong may access sa Jungfrau. So ayan, as you can see, maraming tourist dito. Lakad lang tayo. Medyo madulas siya guys. So ingat-ingat. Pero ang ganda guys, malamig. Malamig lang, kailangan lang careful tayo. Kasi nagbablog tayo. So as much as possible, pwede kang kumapit dun sa rope para hindi ka masyadong malaglag. Pero guys, if only for yung tuktok, I think worth it siya, no? Sa tuktok lang. Be careful na lang tayo sa pagbaba, hindi na ako magbablog kasi medyo slippery siya. Oh my God, guys. This is once in a lifetime experience. Sana makasama nyo ang family nyo here sa experience. Ayun siya guys.